Martin Luther King Jr. once said, the ultimate weakness of violence is that it...
Check this out. Now you got the mask on. And check this out.
Against Donald Trump for high
Check
crimes
this
and
out.
misdemeanors for a second
You got the mask
Let's
on
be
now.
very clear. What took place on
Look what he
January
do.
6, 2021
Look
was
at
an
that.
act of domestic terrorism
Why would he do
by
that?
right-wing
Why would he do that?
for a second time.
Why would he do
Let's
that?
be very clear.
Sneeze in the
What took place
mask,
on
man.
January 6, 2021 was an act of domestic terrorism by right-wing sycophantic...
Look at this lady over here. She gonna look at him like, what the hell?
crimes and misdemeanors for a second
Sneezing like saying somebody got a gun.
What took place on January
Watch out.
6, 2021 was an act of domestic terrorism.
Oh man.
By right wings.
Look at him looking around. A sneeze in your hand, not sitting there
What took
crazy.
place on January 6, 2021 was an act of domestic terrorism.
Look at that.
By right-wing, sycophantic, white supremacists promoted,
Sneezing mask, people. Just sneeze in your mask.
by the man
Don't
in the
pull
White
it
House,
down.
Donald Trump. Reverend